Hey, David.
Oh, hey, Dad.
What you doing?
Just hitting some golf balls.
Oh, sweet. How's it going?
It's going pretty good, yeah.
Wait a minute. If you're just hitting off the ground, do you really have to like find the ball, scoot it into place, and like have it come to rest?
It is kind of annoying. I mean, I do run out of balls sometimes, and I have to go all the way over there to get them. Wait, can't you 3D print a fix for that?
So let's see. We want something that can place a golf ball consistently and reliably and have a hopper of golf balls so it could do it after each swing, right?
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Okay, I'll get to work. All right, David, see you later.
See you, Dad. I'll be here.
Well, it looks like we've got a problem to solve. Welcome to 3D Printing Nerd Studios, proudly powered by PCBWay. PCB, CNC, and 3D printing, they do it all. And that's what we're gonna use, 3D printing, to solve this problem. And I think I know exactly the model that I wanna use. It's by Christopher.jh, and it's over on Makerworld. And it's called the Golf Ball Dispenser Pro. It looks cool. You add golf balls to the top and they can spiral down in this sort of hopper thing at the top. And then as you need a golf ball, you can hit a lever with the golf club head and it will lower a mechanism that rolls a ball, drops it to exactly where you want it. When you're trying to practice your golf swing, you want to place the ball in a repeatable spot. I think this is going to accomplish the trick. Let's print it out. The prints are done. I've got them all in here and I want to show them to you, and then I want to talk about something absolutely crazy.
It's so crazy.
So many parts. The parts here were all printed on my Bambu Lab H2S 3D printer, which is easily becoming one of my favorite 3D printers because it is high quality, repeatable, and easy to use. This is not sponsored in any way by Bambu Lab or this filament, but this filament does have a really interesting story. So way back in 2018, I purchased a spool of gray ABS material from Matterhackers. And over the course of the last 8 years, I did not store it properly. When I loaded it into the machine, I had high hopes because ABS isn't typically hygroscopic and it should just print well, as long as the machine can do it. And it did it. All of these parts are in 8-year-old ABS, that Matterhackers ABS from 2018. What were you doing in 2018? Leave a comment down below. Part quality is really good. It's not perfect, but again, 8-year-old material. I think the printer did as good of a job as it could. I would call it, well, I don't know. Take a look. This looks good. Like this looks really, really good. And it all stuck down to the build plate. One of the ones that I thought might be an issue for 8-year-old ABS on the H2S was this. So if we take a look on the back, you can see that there's a little spot here. So as these built up, it malformed a bit. So the H2S is going to get to 60 or 65 degrees in the chamber. ABS doesn't mind if it's hotter. 60, 65 is going to get you good. Hotter will get you better. This is fantastic.
All-in-one.
This piece is probably one of my favorite pieces that I've ever printed. It laid flat on the build plate. And again, this is 8-year-old ABS. It did not lift, warp, or contort in any way. And it's good. It bridged the ABS just fine. There's a lot of other little pieces here. There are legs. That is a leg. There's a golf ball holder. These pieces will go together to hold the golf ball. Assembly isn't too difficult, but it really employs a unique mechanism. So let's get that put together because I think it's fantastic. So first, there's this piece. And what this does is it advances the ball. We slide that in. Next, what we have to do is put this piece in. The end of the lever is forked and you have to intersect the piece that you put in because it's going to want to move it up and down. And the way to test this, if you can articulate it both up and down, you should be good. Last but not least, that is a slotted piece and that lever goes over the slotted piece and that kind of holds it in. There's a small hole in the side. You put this in, and then you bring the lever down onto it. There we go. So then it sits like this. Let me show you. It's rotating a little bit. So this lever rests on top of that, and then the piece that sends the ball. Let me get a golf ball. I'll show you. So that's going to enter right here. And so now I'm gonna do that, and it pops out just like that. That's the mechanism that allows this entire thing to work. The ball can pause at the top, and that action from the lever that you hit softly with your golf club, it allows one ball at a time to enter. Now we have this mechanism. This is where the ball is going to travel, and if it travels like that and then poops it out, it puts the ball in the spot that you want. And the way that this works is with a counterbalance. Remember these? I showed you these earlier. Golf ball goes in, this piece goes on top. To hold it in place, you've got this section here, and it's keyed. It's keyed, so it will only go in one direction, and then we've got a nut to put on top. And there it is. And we screw it down. Perfect. So now it has a counterbalance. If we put this right inside, this is so cool. It hangs out like that. We put the ball here. If I touch the lever, how cool is that? The ball is able to drop in a specific location every time, and then because of the counterbalance, this returns to a known location. So it can reset the machine and it can just keep going. A couple more things to get through. So this is going to be the hopper, and this will connect into here. It looks like there are holes right there and right there. That allows this to be locked into place. Let's try it without those because we should be okay. Okay, here we go, placement test. Oh, okay, we can't go too fast.
Slow down.
We let the machine settle down, and then we do it again. There are slots to put the feet underneath, and so you can pick whatever ones you think are best for your application. Okay, there's one, and we'll put one right there. And now if I need to change the level or move this up just a little bit, I can spin these. So it gets us a little bit off the ground, and then this is something that allows for repeatability and being able to practice a swing and being able to set up a ball in the exact spot you want every single time. And this is 8-year-old ABS. That's really cool. However, I did print another one. Here we go. This is, well, that's ABS. This is some random blue PLA that I had. Quality is great. I did this on the H2D with that BQ Cryo Grip plate. I love that plate on that machine. It just holds the PLA so well. And again, this one, I've got black PLA, blue PLA. Ugh. Regardless of whether or not I can say the material correctly, the ball drops in exactly the right spot. I think this is kind of perfect for what we're looking for. So let's take these back to the shop and we can put these in front of David and see how he's gonna go about using it and get his opinion on things. You know, he's slightly younger.
How do you do, fellow kids?
He might think different. I don't know. We'll see. But let's see what happens. Hey, David, check it out. Look at this.
Oh my gosh, look at those.
Look at this. I got a gray one
Yeah,
and I got a blue
You
one.
even got golf balls in there ready for me.
And I got golf balls in here already. Which one do you want to try?
Let's try the gray one.
All right, gray one. We just put it here right off the green. Let's give it a test. All right, so here's the test. You're gonna hit that.
Hit this thing.
Yeah, hit it with your golf club.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, wait, before you hit it, how is the position?
Perfect.
Give it a go. Okay, now you finished your swing. Now, I think if you just hit that again, it will place the ball, yes, in the exact same spot.
Look at that.
One more. Let's just prove it. Prove it, yeah.
Look at that. Same spot too.
That's so cool. Good swings, all right. That solved all the conditions that we had. We wanted something that could place the golf ball consistently and reliably, and we wanted it to be part of a hopper system so we could actually implement more golf balls so you could just consistently go. Would this make it easier to practice having that consistency in ball placement?
Yeah, 100%. I think it'll decrease the amount of time that I'll take getting balls and I can spend more time hitting the balls.
Are there any additions or changes that you would like to see made to the model?
Maybe a bigger hopper, but you know.
Bigger hopper, okay.
Yeah.
We could maybe stack something up to have what? 50 golf balls, 100 golf balls?
Yeah, something like that.
All right, cool. Hey,
Yeah.
thanks for the help, David. Thanks for watching us make this incredible practical print. If you want to follow more about David and his sporting adventures, I'll put a link to his Instagram down below. If you made this far, you're awesome. Don't forget to hug each other more, fight for a cause you believe in. Practical print all the golf things. Yeah, and as always, high five. Hey,
High
you want
five.
one? You want one? Yeah! Nailed it. All right. Have a good time, David. Bye.
Bye, bye, bye.